Go.
My name is Areeb Muhammad. And this is how this airplane works. So I have a motor attached to the stick under it, and then a battery covered in electrical tape with two cords touching the ends, which makes the motor start spinning and the propeller starts spinning. Oh, and this bottle keeps the balance. If we didn't have that, then this part would go down and it wouldn't flop. And that's it. Oh, yeah. And the propeller, ow, whichever way it's spinning, it'll go the opposite way. Like if it's spinning this way, it'll go this way. If it's spinning this way, it'll go this way. Thank you.